Nestled against a Canadian national 14-acre park island, we offer our prized family island. This location features 360-degree views of the St. Lawrence River and Howe Island, where a row of million and multi-million-dollar homes occupy the western sunset view. The property features 2 cottages on a private 0.45-acre island in the heart of the world-famous Thousand Islands, near Gananoque, Ontario. Quality contractor built in 1995. It includes a 53-foot concrete dock, great swimming, fishing, and what is considered Canada's best sailing waters. Each cottage has a full bath and oak kitchen with ceramic backdrops. The larger north cottage features a stone fireplace, 3 bedrooms and 2 sleeping lofts, sleep 10. Wi-Fi and satellite TV available. The adjacent park island is a 2-meter walk over a small bridge. The cottages include furniture and appliances. A perfect island for 2 families. A steal at $539,900. For more information, email thousandislandforsale@gmail.com.